Hello students, welcome to our NEET Chemistry Trick channel. So today we are going to discuss about NEET Chemistry questions. So this is part 36 series. So in that series particularly we are going to discuss about P block elements. The topic is into the phosphorus trichloride and sulfur dioxide. From that we are going to see the question today. So before that, if you didn't subscribe our channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel and click the bell icon also. So then only you will get a notification. So every day visit and do live chat with our videos morning 6:45 a.m. in our NEET Chemistry Trick channel in the YouTube. Okay, so let's go to the first question now. The question is, what is the molecule A when react with SO2 gas in the presence of catalyst B to give a sulfuric chloride? So here we have to find out A and B from the below option. Okay, from that we have to choose one option. So here the question is, the molecule A react with SO2 in the presence of catalyst B. So catalyst B also we have to find out and the molecule A also. Okay, to give a product of sulfuric chloride. What is that sulfuric chloride? Is it a H2SO4? No. Sulfuric chloride, it's have other name also. Let's see that. Sulfuric chloride means sulfonyl chloride, sulfur dichloride dioxide and sulfuryl chloride. These are the other name for the sulfuric chloride. Okay, so if you just see this name also, okay, while you are studying the reaction, no, chemical reaction, okay, starting material, whether it is a product, okay, end product, you just see the other name for the particular starting material and the final product also. So then only if you have a difficult question, no, the indirect question you will get in the NEET exam, you can be able to answer easily. So you just see the other name for the particular starting material and also the final product also. Okay, here we have used that is sulfonyl chloride. That means what it is? SO2 Cl2. It is in the liquid form. Okay, so here the question, in the question they have mentioned SO2. That means the sulfur dioxide is react with molecule A in the presence of catalyst. That is, you have studied in the 12th standard. Okay, SO2 sulfur dioxide properties, in the properties section, no, they have mentioned that is sulfur dioxide is react with, okay, react with the molecule A. That means, okay, that we have to find out in the presence of a catalyst, give a SO2 Cl2. What is that? Here the Cl2 is coordinate with SO2, no, SO2 Cl2, no, so it may be the molecule A may be the Cl2 molecule. Okay, here the Cl2 in the gaseous state, if you put, no, in the presence of charcoal, okay, you will get the compound, the end product is SO2 Cl2 in the liquid form. Okay, so this is the final product you got through this reaction. So what is A here? Cl2 is a B is charcoal. So what is the correct answer from this option? So second option, Cl2 charcoal is the correct option for this question. This is A, this is charcoal is B as a catalyst. Okay, and let's go to the second question now. So here they have a question, that is OH containing group of organic compound of A, whether it is a methanol or ethanol or acetic acid or something. Okay, the groups containing a OH group of organic compound. Okay, so it's react with the pyramidal shape of phosphorus halide. What is that pyramidal shape of phosphorus halide? Phosphorus halide mean it may be PCl3 or Pb or T, okay, anything else, any halide with react with the phosphorus. Okay, so here they have mentioned pyramidal shape of. Okay, so pyramidal shape of, that means what has a pyramidal shape? Okay, PCl5 or PCl3. Okay, that means phosphorus trichloride. Which one has a pyramidal shape of phosphorus trihalide? Okay, so the phosphorus, what is that? Trichloride, not pentachloride. Phosphorus trichloride has a pyramidal shape of structure. Okay, so phosphorus trichloride which has a sp3 hybridization, so that only we got a pyramidal shape of geometry of phosphorus halide to give a acetyl halide. So we have to find out A here. What is A here? OH containing organic compound. Okay. So usually the pyramidal shape of phosphorus halide is, what is that? that is phosphorus trichloride. Okay, so that we have find out here from the question. So the final product is acetyl halide. Whether it is, we have to find out the what is the final product. Okay, they have given the hydrogen peroxide and C2H5OH and aldehyde group also and acetic acid group also. Okay, so from that we have to choose one option. So here I have given the equation, that is C2H5OH. So because I have taken this group 4, because in the question they have mentioned what is that OH containing group of organic compound A. So I have taken the C2H5OH plus, we know that pyramidal shape of phosphorus halide is PCl3. That means what? Phosphorus trichloride. Okay, it reacts with the, right, it reacts with the and give, okay, C2H5OH plus, and it reacts with the, what is that, PCl3. It gives the compound of, what is that, C2H5Cl. Okay, C2H5Cl means what? It is a chloroethane and H3PO3. Okay, so this you will get the end product. And here the second reaction I have given here, CH3COOH, because in the question they have given, that is C2H5OH also they have given, no, right? So here CH3COOH, okay, and here it's react with the PCl3, it got a product of CH3COCl plus H3PO3. Okay, so right now here the CH3 is react with CH3CO till here. CH3CO is react with the Cl of PCl3 here, and remaining here H is there. So there is a 3 molecule of H is there. So H3P, okay, here O is there, PO3. So you will get the H3PO3 here. Here the 3 molecule of Cl is react with the CH3COCl. Okay. Okay, we got what is the product we got? Acetyl chloride, CH3COCl we got. Okay, so the reaction may happen with the CH2OH also, and reaction may happen with the CH3COOH also. So which product you got here? CH3COCl. That means what? Acetyl halide. That means acetyl chloride. Okay, in the question they have mentioned, no, what is the end product? Acetyl halide. That means acetyl chloride you will get, right, because of not C2H5. Here the reaction is happening with C2H5OH also, okay, the alcohol group also, but here in the question they have mentioned the end product acetyl halide. So the starting material, that means A, OH containing group of organic compound A, that is CH3COOH. So the fourth option is the correct answer for this question. Okay, so okay students, I think I understood all the question and answer. We will see in the next video. If you have any queries also, you just comment in the comment section. I will do answer it. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.